What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to two more videos today. Good evening, hope you all had a great weekend and hope you enjoy the last couple of hours of it, depending on where you live obviously. In the United States you still have quite some time. But welcome to this video in which we're going to be talking about GODS Unchained, or the GODS token, which I'm pretty late to the party, but obviously today we were really bullish, 82% increase. Volume is good, but it's actually not that high. I mean, 28 million, it's not that high. And apart from that, we are dropping down quite hard right now, as you can see from this level here at 58 cents. But more about the price in a moment. First, I wanted to talk a little bit about, usually what I do in these videos is I talk a little bit about the news that caused this move. I couldn't find any news about what caused this move. Maybe on Reddit there's something. All right, I did want to talk about the game as well. But yeah, see, I mean, there's no real big news, but we got an amazing move. It's now up 70%, as I said. It's dropping, doesn't matter that much. Apart from that, GODS Unchained right now, and that's coming from me as a 100% neutral player in the field. GODS Unchained right now is, I think, one of the best developed games and one of the most fun games to play. One of the most fun play to earn games out there. It's a low market cap. This is I'm going to add it to my watch list right now because this is actually an amazing crypto, and I think long term it's a great investment. But when I say that, I have to say something else with that, and that is that there's still a lot of inflation to come for GODS Unchained. As you can see, only 15% of the max supply. There is a max supply luckily, but only 15% of that supply is in circulation right now. That means a lot of inflation. I still think that if you would buy this right now and you would hold it out until the next bull market, that you would get at least a 100% gain. I still think so. But maybe it's better to buy a little bit later, and especially when we drop down a little bit more, right? I mean, buying right now is probably not a good move in the long run compared to if you would wait for a little. But I did want to say that I genuinely do think it's one of the best play to earn games out there right now. But let's take a look at the price right now. As you can see today, had a massive breakout through this entire level between 50 cents and 43 cents. Major resistance level. And right now there are basically two things that are possible. Above us we have this resistance level at 58 cents. That's where we found resistance. That's also what I kind of expected. But above that we have this big resistance level at around 70 cents, more specifically between 60 and 70 cents. It's quite a big level again. But like 65 and 70 cents would be the price target. So can we reach that? Yes, I think we can reach that, but the criteria are pretty strict. Because I think what we need to do is we need to keep momentum. And how is that reflected in the price? I think by staying on top of 50 cents. If we can actually stay on top of 50 cents for the next, let's say 24 hours, I think that's already enough. Then we're going up to that 65, 70 cents area. And from there we'll see again, maybe if we keep that momentum and stay above 60 cents, we could even get higher. All right, very possible. But on the other hand, it's really a double-edged sword because as I said, if we stay above 50 cents, that's great and we're going up higher. But the moment we break down below 50 cents and we really close below that on the four-hour time frame, what's probably going to happen is we're going to find support at 43 cents, but only to take a break retest and then to slowly, it's not going to be a crash, but I think we're going to slowly start dropping back down to 36, 35 cents, and then from there continue consolidating and losing more and more volatility. From 35 cents we might also have a smaller second rally. That's usually what happens, but I don't think we're going back to those tops if we break down below 50 cents right now. So that's going to be the interesting thing to watch. It's all about that for me. So yeah, that's my opinion, some insights on GODS Unchained, but also an analysis. If you do have any questions about anything I said, feel free to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.